transactions through GCash, Maya, or credit card. Kauna-unahang app ito sa Pilipinas. Nag-generate pa ng points every time gamit.
Yo, what's up? We're back for after a long time, huh?
Last time I saw you was December, G.
Christmas party na impeccable.
Yeah.
And Babs.
Yo! What's up, guys?
Oh my God.
Usapang Barbero episode.
What, my G? 44.
Damn.
Nalimutan na rin yung intro.
Season number 3.
Is it 3?
Yeah, we're on a third season, G.
Third season na ba to?
Yeah. This is it. Third season.
Last season natin yung December ng season 2. Okay.
We were supposed to have a closing, pero we both got busy, so.
Okay, so this is a good opening for the year 2025.
Year the snake.
February.
Ano man? Feb 7.
Oh, February. So it's been isang buwan na rin na lumipas nang tayo makapag-podcast kasi dami nating ginagawa. Hindi
That's blessing.
Hindi maging akma yung schedule nating dalawa.
Super.
Ay, ganun talaga. May mga responsibilidad sa kanyang buhay-buhay. But yeah, we are still here.
Yeah. See, we still did it. We're still back.
Still here. Number 44. And 4
we didn't
plus
leave.
4 is what?
8.
No.
Yeah. Hindi naman kami umalis eh.
Pahinga lang kami.
Yeah. We had, I guess the right term is high priorities during that time.
High priorities.
Super high priorities.
A lot has been happening. And yeah, what's up with you, man? But anyhow,
yeah.
What is this podcast for?
Usapang Barbero, G. Powered by Babs App. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, what is Babs App about? It's a home service barber booking app where you can book your barber kahit nasan ka. And so far, guys, we are running for a year now, no?
1 year.
1 year na. Joy?
Is it February na ba tayo
Yeah, Feb.
launch? Feb what? Is it last week? I think it's
Feb
last
28.
week. 28. Oh,
I think.
malapit na.
Yeah, our 1 year for Babs.
We're going 1 year for Babs. So ano pang hinihintay ng ating mga barbero dyan? Let's go.
To download Babs app para sa mga barbers, all you guys have to do is download Babs.partner. It's available on Google Play and iOS Store. It is free to download, mga barbers. So pag naghahanap kayo ng extra income, that's a place to be. And then so far, guys, we still have a high volume of clients. We are now at
high volume, yeah.
1,006? 1,007, Joy. I think 1,006.
1,007 of clients.
Yeah.
Nationwide.
Yeah. Nationwide. And so far, we're still working on a lot of things. This kind of app, as we notice, marami talaga siyang challenges before siya to get there. I mean, in any business naman with this large scale of type of business, the introduction is really heavy.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
How about the numbers of the barbers?
Barbers, we are at 437.
437.
Yes.
So 1,000 client, guys. Come on.
Yes. Actually, during the holiday, ang dami nagbubook.
Yeah.
Problema rin is yung mga barbers
hindi available.
We are very short on barbers.
Oh. So they're trying to book, nag-process yung payment.
Yes.
And
we had to
then
refund. Saying in life. It's true. It happens.
Of course.
You know, but at least
how many times?
So a week.
Oh.
Man, there was a lot of bookings, no?
Talaga?
Yeah. But the barbers couldn't accept because I guess they were busy.
Yeah, kasi December, matik, peak season din yan sa shop.
Yes.
So
even January.
Oh.
January we still had a lot.
So those are the things that we have to really figure out.
Yes.
Because yun yung part na medyo hassle din sa end ng kliyente if and hassle din sa atin yung pag-refund.
Yes.
So those are the things that we have to look into.
Yes. Pero yung yung refund system natin, automatic.
Fast.
So, kampante yung mga clients, if you guys are ever gonna use the app, once you guys try to issue na hindi nag-show up yung barber or hindi nag-respond, we issue the refund right away.
Yeah. So,
naman ang natin.
how can the client make sure if the barber is available or not?
The barber has to accept the notification dun sa phone nila, mag-shift yun.
So, anong nangyari?
Naka-pending.
Nag-notify, in-accept?
No. Naka-pending yung
but
booking
the payment
goes
push through.
Yeah, it's payment first. So sa mga barbers natin dyan, there's no fake booking dito sa Babs. It's automatic. Nagbabayad na talaga yung mga kliyente. It's just up to you to accept the booking.
Accept it or not.
Yeah.
We are just the
Yeah, we're the bridge.
Mid peeps.
Yeah.
We are the middle that if we're going to approve it or not.
Yeah. And if you think about it, guys, mga barbers dyan, we already have clients for you. We're just waiting for you to join the
na
app.
lang.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a time game. Mamukat-mukat mo later on, bro, will just be like, oh, yep, there it is.
There it is.
Yeah.
Of course. Pero tag dito, we actually have to talk about it. We actually have to figure out all the things and lapses na nandun sa mismo app.
Yes. It's a whole lot of improvements.
Oh.
Yeah,
let's talk about it. Let's talk about this here.
Yeah.
Regard to our developers, how are they doing?
They're good. They're maintaining our app. Of course, there's times na merong certain things that they need to be updated.
Oh.
So they ina-update naman nila right away. Katulad nung one of the things that we improved.
User interface.
Yeah, is in-improve natin is we remove the stars from the homepage para hindi mahirapan si client pumili. Kasi all of the barbers that we have right now doesn't have stars yet. So lahat empty lahat. So paano makakapili si barber? Lahat to empty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Since the app is brand new. Wala pa talaga mga star rating except for a couple of barbers na meron ng rating, but majority of our barbers doesn't have any ratings yet. So yun yung tinitignan ni client, baka na-awkward silang pumili ng barber dahil wala pang rating. So akala nila bago lang yung barber dun sa page.
Oh.
Yes.
And sino ba dapat magbigay ng ratings na yun?
Clients.
Oo nga. I mean, syempre, once na new ka dun sa app, so technically, wala pa talagang stars kasi wala pa naman naging kliyente dun sa app eh. So the client will give you the rate. So, paano yung work around dun?
So yung star rating natin, it's the only way it's gonna work if nabook sila ng client.
If they are active.
Yes.
And the booking is successful.
Yes. And at the same time, the barbers na currently brand new to the sign up, pinapadagdag natin na brand new barber. New barber dun sa app. And the only way clients can check out if the barber, magaling sila maggupit is through their portfolio, showing their pictures of yung gupit nila. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So mga barbers dyan, man, don't hesitate. Yeah.
Harvey's here.
Yeah.
Steve Harvey. Yo, Steve Harvey. Say hi, Steve Harvey.
Yun. Early.
One of the most successful hosts.
Oh man, not again.
Yeah. But yeah, are you still thinking of guesting some barbers, a lot of barbers?
Yes.
We really have to connect with them.
One of the things too, we're planning to do this year, once it falls through, is actually showing up to the barbershops and telling them about BabZap, but at the same time, asking them how their life is as a barber.
So you're going there? We are going there?
One of the things that I'm planning. It could be me, it could be someone, you know what I'm saying? It's a plan. So hopefully if it works, makita natin yung mga buhay talaga ng barbero.
So it's going to be like a documentary type beat.
Yeah.
It's a content.
Yes. To show the community that Babs truly care for the barbers that we have around.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi majority, marami pa rin tayong mga barbers that they're not aware of our app.
Yes, of course.
Ang dami pa rin. Or some of them. And I want to say thank you also for my last meeting with
Ben-Hur?
Yes. Si Consi Ben
Abalos.
From Mandaluyong. Shout out, Consi. So, he's checking it out how he can help us out dun sa certain area nila sa Mandaluyong muna. Paano natin mapapakilala sa mga barbero? This is another way of income para sa mga barbero natin. So, community-wise, binibigyan tayo ng chance ng Mandaluyong City para makilala yung BabZap natin.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ben-Hur.
Yes.
Paano ang gagawin yan? Or did you guys have an arrangement on where to start?
One of the things that I told them, one of the downside, hindi naman siya downside kasi it's a benefit to the clients, is yung requirements natin, which is difficult for barbers to get it right away. Yung mga police clearance, NBA clearance, which is something that we truly need.
Oh, yeah,
Kasi
for the safety of the clients,
yes,
and for the safety of the company.
So one of the things that I asked them, maybe they can do, is a one-day event where nandun na yung mga police, pwede na sila kumuha ng police clearance, pwede na sila kumuha ng NBA clearance, one-day event. So pupunta yung mga barbers
doon sa Mandaluyong, doon sa City Hall or wherever.
Or people from Mandaluyong first. mga barbers from Mandaluyong, barbershop owners, that one-time event, doon sila kukuha ng mga requirements nila.
Okay.
So knock it off.
Okay.
That's a big help.
Dun sa naisip mo na dito na talaga pinag-usapan yung mga technicalities.
Oh, I mean, so they know.
Dun sa mga naisip mo na na pagpunta sa mga barbershop, documenting their lives, I think we should create promotional content regarding that for the ads.
Yes.
I mean, this time we should.
Yeah.
We really have to, because for us to sell, we should really have to create a content.
Yes.
Ayun, content na talaga labanan ngayon, at saka
True.
content and what you call this, quantity.
Yeah.
Quantity.
Yeah.
And if we're going to make a quality video
Yep.
that will touch the hearts of our barbers and at the same time touch the hearts of our clients, maybe we can be known.
Yeah.
We are actually known, kung tutusin. We are actually known. We just have to
push it even more.
Yeah. Push even more, put all the ideas that we can, execute all the things that we have to execute, and put it in the market. That's all we gotta do. We have audience.
Yeah, we do.
We already have audience here on our page. And this year, 2025, year of the snake, this time we should push.
Yeah.
We should push.
Yeah. So look out sa mga barbers, bro.
Yes.
You guys are what we need.
And for the improvement of the application, we should actually work on it.
Yeah.
Yung mga parts na naglalag.
Yep.
Yun nga. That's why I asked you regarding the the developers.
Yes.
What are they doing?
Yes.
How is the user interface? How is the user interaction? Which is, we really have to work out.
Yes.
And yeah, big shout out to all the developers though for keeping our app safe.
Thank you. Yes, very true.
However, we have to really work it out.
Yep. Shout out sa mga technical supports ng Babs app dyan. I told them this too. Just to make sure everything runs smoothly. And I told them that if you guys see an improvement that we can, kasi sila yung nakakita ng aspect na yun. Kasi they have a broad view of developing an app. So I told them that opening it up to us, let us know the things that we need.
We have to talk. We have a strong marketing team. We have a strong minds right here. And kayo sa technical side, kami dito, we are going to work on it. We have the we will work on it. We will work on it.
Yeah, because once this hits, guys, you guys will remember how we started.
This is working. This is actually working.
It is.
It is working. You just have, kailangan talaga siyang maisampal sa mamamayang Pilipino na something big right here is actually working. That will benefit all you guys, the barbers, the clients. Yan.
And this is a way of living too. This is generating income for people.
700 per booking, tapos 80% will be coming to the barber. It's not a joke.
Yep.
Pero yun nga, sa client side talaga, ang pinaka main, kasi na-experience ko din na nag-push through yung pera ko. Pero the booking or the barber is really not available. Pero willing to wait ako. Yun lang naman nakita ko mga downside. And di kami takot na sabihin yun sa inyo ngayon dito.
Of course not. This is the reality of the business.
This is the business.
Yeah.
Nasubaybayan nyo rin naman kung paano kami nag-umpisa.
Yeah.
So, ito.
Yep.
We will never fail you. We're going to work on it.
Oh, yeah.
We have to. This is the...
We didn't get here for no reason.
No, this is the second year, bro. This is... No, this is the first year going second year now. So, this time, we gotta work this out. Yep. And makakaasa kayo na magkakaroon ng matinding marketing tool, marketing promotion, video, contents.
Definitely.
Ang Babs app.
Definitely. And we have a whole team coming in starting next month that will be able to help us out too.
That's nice. This is digital marketing people?
Just the marketing end. Just operation. See how we can implement more things.
Yes.
There's a lot of things that we're planning that needs execution.
Execution talaga.
Yeah.
The idea is there, but we need muscle too.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, magandang idea yan, yung part na pagpunta sa mga barbershop, how are they doing, what kind of life that they have.
Yep.
And kami ang opportunity ba?
Yes. Very true. I mean, who else has this app? No one. For the community of the barbers and the hairstylists. No one.
Yes. That's very true.
Yeah.
Kailangan na ng pukul ba?
Yeah. No, it's hard to believe something brand new.
Mm-mm.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
For barbers and for clients to believe.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Ang hirap nila, they're not the early adapters. That's what it's called.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah. Pero pag nakita na nilang gumagana, of course, that's when it happens.
Talaga.
Yeah.
And kailangan natin mapakita na ito ay gumagana.
Yes, which it is. It just needs people to share it. Na, hey, it's working.
Yeah.
Hey, those two.
A perfect content that would actually let them know na we have a working app. You just have to use it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Welcome to Babs App. We just speak the truth here.
No cap.
Yeah, no cap.
No cap.
Actually, hindi nga kami nag-uusap ni JP kanina kasi sabi ko marami tayong pag-uusapan. Let's just lay it on the camera.
No, this is just the start. Oo nga, nakaugalian na natin hindi mag-usap kapag before we start this podcast.
Yeah, kasi
sayang eh.
Not just that.
Hindi naman sayang kasi meron pa din tayo na pag-uusapan eh.
Not just that. It keeps the emotion raw. It keeps the answer raw.
Yes.
Kasi like what you just asked me right now. That was out of nowhere. Diba? You know what I'm saying? You guys can hear by the voice. If we speak, like pag pinag-usapan natin na ang bilis ng mga sagot, it's scripted, bro. This is no script.
No cap.
Yeah.
Speaking of no cap, let's talk about the truth.
Hey.
Aray ko po.
Wait, that's your word? We're not...
No, wala lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Let's talk about the truth.
Yeah. So, let's talk about the truth.
Nirelate ko lang.
Yes. Bang level na kasi ito si JP. Hey, man.
Yes.
How are you? But wait, before I ask that, congratulations, bro.
Thank you so much. And alam mo yan, this is not gonna be possible. Lagi ko tong sinasabi sa kahit na sino. Na the collaboration of me and Bugoy Nokoy ko is not gonna happen. Dahil sa taong ito.
You know what, bro?
Dahil sa ang malupit na makulit to eh.
No, but come think of it, bro. I know you told me that so many times.
Yeah.
Pero to come think of it, it wouldn't happen also if most of the things that you did when we started. Kasi kung hindi mo kinanek paano na to? Si Tikal. Si Tintin. Hindi naman ako mai-invite nila sa Alabang.
Sa Alabang.
So you took the heart of it and then in-extend ko lang just to create that bridge.
Thank you so much. Man, this is actually meant to happen.
But it was a working system around.
Working system talaga kung titignan mo.
Yeah.
And I want to give a big shout out dun din kila Dika Lord, kila Ada Tintin for their pod. Sa Garahe podcast, I can see that it is good.
Yeah, man.
It is good. We can't wait to be there.
I know. Akala ko first guest tayo nila eh.
Okay lang yan.
Saan ba tayo? Hindi, joke lang. Congratulations.
It's about cars eh. Talagang they are talking about cars.
And actually, they're diverting to a lot of things already too. Business. Just a pure podcast na rin.
Yeah. And, nga. Kahit naman nagsimula tayo sa pure barbering.
Yeah.
Diba?
Gusto mo ba yung gupit?
Pure barbering topics. Pero hanggang sa napunta na tayo sa mga tao na they are really actually making it.
Yeah.
Business owners.
Yeah.
And that is the truth.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something since you brought that up. Nung kamiting ko si Consi Abalos, director was there.
Director.
But shout out to you, Derek. You know what he said?
No cap here, Rec.
Yeah. You know what he said?
Because
after the conversation presented what Babs App is about.
And
then he checked out our page. I mean, he made the exact comment na we stopped using animations. Kita nyo? Totoo, di ba? We stopped using animations, but we use real people now to market.
Yes.
So one thing that he said, he was like, nakita niyo yung mga guests natin. He was like, man, you guys already made it there? Alam nyo, sabi niya, alam mo, konti na lang kayo.
Yun nga.
Tapos ano ba sabi niya? Tapos nakita niya yung naging guest na natin sila. Bastoyo, thank you. Sila Bugoy, gano'n. Yung parang level nung gano'n. And then knowing the fact that we were only there for a year. And then we were able to touch those kind of people already too. Yeah, I was like, how did you guys do that?
It's about work.
Yeah. The answer to it, to come think of it, is we really work. I know it was an early thing para sa iba. Para sa kanila, parang ang bilis nangyari sa atin. We were just going at our face.
We
were just maximizing on the things that we have. The tools that we have that we can maximize on that current time.
Yes.
But isn't that a thing though? It's like, damn, we had an early access to things, to people. Which is such a blessing, bro.
It is. Kumbaga tayo na rin yung mga tao na andyan na nga, susubo mo na lang eh. Tatanggihan mo pa.
Yep. And we didn't have wala kasi tayong fear eh.
Yun pa. Yun pa yung isang factor na why are we going to, bakit kami mahiya?
Yeah.
Wala na ako gagawin masama.
Yeah. If we asked, they said yes.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Diba? Let's go. ASAP. Diba? ASAP. Wala sa sayang. Yun din yung nakuha kong values dyan kila Boogie.
Yeah.
If you are going to think about something and you want to do it now.
Yeah.
Yun yung yun yung values na nakuha ko rin sa kanila ngayon.
Yeah.
You gotta do it.
Yep.
You have to do it. If you have to do it, you have to do it. Do it now. Finish it now.
Yep.
Stop thinking, paulit-ulit ko rin sinasabi to last year, but stop thinking about the results. Basta you have to do it.
Bato ka lang ng bato.
Kasi mahirap na if you kept on thinking about it, you kept on magiging perfect kaya to, magiging maganda kaya to, bukas ko na kaya gawin, or sa susunod na linggo ko na kaya gagawin. That's procrastination.
Yep.
Being a G and being a legitimate man, do not procrastinate.
Nope. You can't. You can't. Kasi when you start procrastinating on little things, paano pag malaki pa yan?
Yun na nga. Yung mga values na kailangan na i-embrace ng mga kabataan ngayon. And I can see that all the youths ngayon.
They're on a different vibe.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yesterday, I was on a sound trip by Dog Brock because me and Kuya Thyro performed live there in Fighting For You. So, I saw this group of youngins, 21, 23, 24. And the way they approach me is very, very different. They're very joyful.
Yeah.
And big shout out to the production of Dog Brock. And to those youths, hindi ko masabi youths, pero adults na naman yung mga 21 to 24. Pero yung mga kabataan, masabi kong kabataan at bago sa scene. But they are actually working good. They're all good. They have sound engineer, they have videographer, they have this person na mag-a-assist sa amin.
Yeah.
All throughout. They have given us tokens, chocolates, and a little appreciative letter. It is little, but it will actually touch your heart.
Yeah.
Makikita mo na there is 100% effort. There is 100% effort on how they work things out with the guests.
Yeah.
Different guests, different artists. Alam mo yun? And yung sa Dog Brock or sa DBTV Sound Trip kasi, brother, they are actually handpicking all the submissions. And kwento nila sa akin na talagang ang dumarating sa kanila for 1 month na tracks to be reviewed are around 900.
Damn.
So how are you going to review that? They actually taking time to review it. 3 months. Pero kasi meron nga namang mga tracks na 10 seconds pa lang. Alam mo ng
goods.
And alam mo ring hindi.
Yes.
Diba?
Because you already have the ears for it.
They already have the ears for it. And I'm very grateful na we were picked by those young boys. And we performed very, very well.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Sobrang solid nun, bro. As in.
You know what I thought? I thought you were going on a podcast when I saw the Dog Brock thing.
Oh, no, I'm not. I performed. We performed.
Okay.
And I want to give a big shout out to Kuya Thyro also, for making time every time na I will ask. Not actually ask, but this is actually for the post-marketing of the song.
Yeah.
And I'm praying and manifesting that the song will pop dahil dito sa DBTV Sound Trip because the performance that we did there, Kahit ako na paano eh. Para kasi, alam mo bro, as a singer, as an artist, you're like a fighter.
Yeah, of course.
You're like an athlete.
Yeah.
You have to work on it. You have the talent, but you have to work on it. Hindi mo siya pwedeng, magaling na ako eh.
No.
It's not like that. You have to work it out. You have to be on a different level. And I can say na me and Kuya Thyro met on that same place. Having that different level.
Yeah.
Na pinag-combine namin.
Yeah.
And the performance that we did was, damn, that is singer R&B type shit.
Yeah.
Oh, talaga. And yeah.
You know the thing though? You know the thing? That song is that's timeless.
It is.
What I think right now, what para sa akin my opinion, what's happening with the song is parang magiging late bloomer siya.
That's what I can say. That's what I can see too. And I mean, and also I have this may pakiramdam din ako na it might be this year.
Yeah. Kasi alam mo yung music na yan, mute ko lang to.
Sige lang.
Alam mo yung music na yan, G? It's pang teleserye siya eh.
Yes, and
yes.
yeah, teleserye.
If you guys haven't heard it, make sure to stream it. Fighting for you.
It's already
YouTube, Spotify.
It's already live on Wish. So,
Wish too.
So if you want to watch the magical performance of Mr. Thyro and me, check it out.
Yeah.
Because it's a blast.
And talk about Dog Brock. We spoke.
Oh yes.
Yeah, we spoke on IG.
IG.
Yeah. I think this was last year. Oh no, last year too for sure. I forgot which month. He said he was just busy, but he was willing to do a podcast with us.
He's still busy right now.
Busy is good, bro.
No, di siya wala siya dun kahapon eh. But and yo, big shout out to you, Dog Brock, for molding those kind of people.
Yeah.
Man, they have a great leader.
Yeah.
And look at those boys. Gagaling na bata.
Yeah.
Music producer, dalawa.
Yeah.
Editor, isa.
But naman, kasi at the same time, bro, when when you have younger generations under your wing, once you're already proving something, there's no reason for them not to believe in your vision kasi.
Yes.
So that's a word of advice to people that has mentors like Dog Brock. Yung mga ganun, kunyari, ikaw yung magiging mentor ng isang singer. You were already able to get at a certain stage because of the things that you did. So ina-advise mo yun dun. Pati nila hindi papakinggan yun. Now they can just add on their little twist.
Yes.
To make it even better. They're just lucky enough to have those type of people.
True. That's very true.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
true. Mentor sa'yo.
Yes.
Did you have that? Not really, di ba?
The mentor?
Yeah. Like at this stage, katulad ng...
Right now, I'm the one who's mentoring.
No, during your climb up.
I do have a mentor. Of course.
Yes,
I do have a mentor.
What I mean is, they're not at that level where they got it. Gets?
Yes. Yeah, true.
Kasi parang dati nagsisimula pa rin din lahat to get to the point.
Oo. I mean,
ngayon yung mga...
Kapang talaga.
Yung mga ina-advise nyo, gets, nakarating na kayo sa...
meron na silang footsteps.
Roadmap.
Na susundan.
Yes.
And we are guiding them.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, ngayon nakakatuwa na rin isipin na I'm one of those privilege pa masabi kong privilege na mag-mentor ng mga artists.
You are.
And may nuto lang sila.
No, but at the end of the day, bro, you know what are the things too? 555. You know what are the things too? One of the things too is kasi di ba syempre from the past hits that you had, you know, it's still a blessing that you were relevant.
Oo naman.
Gets?
Yes.
Bro, may mga kabatch ka eh.
Madami kami.
Gets?
Of course.
Talk about, before you say something, talk about relevant. As of right now, you and Bugoy are on top 25, correct?
Number
so
25.
YouTube, Philippines? See?
Philippines.
Relevant,
yes. On God.
What made you to keep on pushing?
Because I know my purpose. I know my purpose. And I know that God created me to be a musician.
Yeah.
to be an artist, to be a singer, to be a songwriter.
Mm-hmm.
And ito lang talaga yung bagay na kailangan kong galingan.
Yeah.
And this is my ikigai, gets mo? This is my ikigai.
Yeah.
This is my purpose. So I really, really have to be consistent on it.
Yeah.
And as far as you are being consistent, people will just come at you.
Yeah.
People will just come at you. Blessing will just come at you. Struggles will just come at you. It still depends on kung paano mo tignan ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yup.
If you're going to push through, if you're going to step on the gas or just have a break,
Yup.
or fully stop.
Yup.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, for you to stay relevant, you have to be consistent. Yun lang.
Yes.
Consistent at maging maayos ka lang na tao.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi you can actually get on the top if you are rude.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, if you are rude, mayabang ka,
Yep.
panay ka talk shit sa iba.
Yup.
Alam mo yun, and people are actually approaching me because I am me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am me. And I just put 100% sa lahat ng proyekto na binibigay sa akin ng Panginoon.
Yeah.
And I will never waste it. I will never waste it. Yun lang lagi kong mindset.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayong 2025. Now, if there's a work and there's a project that is served at me
Mm-hmm.
again and again, I'll not waste it. I will put 100% art, 100% work on it.
Mm-hmm.
And yun nga, sabi ko, di ba, I have to be consistent.
Yeah.
So, sa checklist ko ngayon 2025, okay na si Two Joints in Harmony Part 1.
Sheesh.
Si Two Joints in Harmony Part 2 naman. This year yan lahat. Pinapangako sa inyo lahat, this year to lahat.
Yeah.
Two Joints in Harmony Part 2, Engagement mixtape, and 2 R&B songs with Ryan. Tuloy-tuloy.
Yeah.
2 songs each year.
Wow.
So those are ito yung mga targets ko ngayong taon. And in terms of the business side naman, meron din ako mga inaay na negosyo na itatayo, and
Yeah.
alam mo yun, ngayong taon kailangan mo lang talagang na-figure out ko rin na you really have to put a set list or checklist eh.
Yes.
Targets ba?
Writing it down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Joey, big shout out sa'yo. Lagi, out of nowhere pumapasok sa isip ko yung, you have to write it down.
Mm-hmm. Look at the board.
Sulat mo yan. Yeah, ito.
Yeah.
Mahalaga na sinusulat mo yung mga plano mo.
Yeah.
And, kasi may inspire ka na, oh yeah, ngayong araw na to, unang titignan mo yung plans mo for 2025.
Yep.
Oh, this is the things that I have to do.
Mm-hmm.
Pray, manifest,
Mm-hmm.
work on it every day until it happen.
Yes.
Yun na yung mantra ko ngayong taon. And
Very good.
to build and to mentor my kids, which is Zypher Records,
Yeah.
to give them a break. I've
Right.
been doing a lot of things for them to be known.
Yeah.
Pinasampa ko sila sa Wish.
Wow.
I have scheduled them sa mga radio guestings dito sa Pilipinas,
Wow.
sa hip-hop.
You see
hip-hop
that?
R&B.
You see that? That's an axis.
Mm.
Some artists, it would take them a long time just to get their foot
Mm.
in the bus.
Oo.
Artists na yun, ha?
Yes.
Pero sila, they had that access to see how it feels, see how it looks like inside. Now they can even manifest harder kasi nakita na nila visually.
Yes, and naramdaman nila.
Yes.
Naramdaman nila kung paano mapunta doon.
Yes.
And the only thing that I've given them as a lesson is to always give your 100%. We are here to guide you. We are here to mold you.
Yes.
And time is gold. Aray ko.
Yes. Time is gold with diamonds on top.
Because they were late.
Yeah.
Wish.
Oh.
Late na move yung performance, and I was kind of pissed, but
Yeah.
I told them this the last time that you guys are going to be late.
Yeah.
This is the last time because this is not a joke.
Yeah, you guys got that in access.
No, this is not
You know
a
what I mean?
joke. This is
Yeah.
your first Wish bus. You're late.
Ouch. Oh man, not good.
Awa ng Diyos naman doon sa radio guesting nila sa Magic 89.9. Yo, big shout out to Sarge and DJ Dash for working on
Yeah.
For working on it. Actually, brother, ang story kasi talaga niyan, Wave 89.1 sila dati. If you're, I don't know, whether you were listening to it. And I am a fan of Wave 89.1.
Mm-hmm.
And out of nowhere, I've been releasing a track 2017, which is tulad ng dati.
Yeah.
Napakinggan ni Sarge, which is yung head ng Wave 89.1. And then he called me. I was in the office working. Sabi niya sa akin, yo bro, ganda ng bagong kanta niyo Dry na. Pwede mo ba i-perform dito? And nandun ako sa office nun. Sige, Sarge, anong oras? 7 p.m. mamaya. Off ko alas 5 ng hapon. Sabi ko, San Juan lang ako diretso ako ng Ortigas. Alam mo yun, yung ganong klaseng eagerness ba?
Yes.
Yung, siguro nandito rin ako sa ngayon sa kinatatayuan ko bilang manager, bilang ganito, bilang ganyan. It's because if there's an opportunity talaga, I grab it.
Yeah.
I grab it. Whatever happens, I grab it. Pero syempre ngayon, may marami na tayong opportunities that you have to really...
Oh, yeah.
No, kailangan mo na isipin bago mo i-grab.
Hindi kasi katulad dati.
Ka ba? No, hindi na. May medyo may mga risk percentage na.
Yeah, that's good.
May mga risk percentage na. Hindi ka na pwede yung basta-basta.
Yeah.
Kasi ikaw madadali.
It's called wisdom. That's what it is. It's called wisdom. Because if you think about it, G, you know, the times that you did those, you were grabbing opportunities because you needed it.
Yes.
You needed to. Then doon mo na measure yung sarili mo na not all opportunities are great opportunities.
So, sasabit ka talaga eh.
Yeah.
And we are, as a manager, I am there para at least mamaneuver ko sila on what to do.
Yeah.
And thank you God.
Yeah. JP Bakal. Ilang years ka na sa industry?
Oh man, 2006, 17.
Phew. See that?
Oh man, I'm magta 10 years na. 2 taon na lang.
See that? The relevant word is so easy to say, but it's so hard to do.
7 years.
Yeah. Damn.
Tama. 8 years na pala ako sa scene. 8.
Kaya sabi ko ang dami mong kabatch nun.
Ang dami talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Dami. But
you know the thing too. You know the thing too is also not just by staying relevant is how you maintain physical yung love mo sa sarili mo. I mean, look at yourself now. You still look fresh. You know what I mean? A lot yung mga kabatch mo na
boxing lang yan, bro. Naabot niya eh.
Kaya pala kanina pa ganito si JP na naabutan ka ng ano?
Nabigyan ako ng straight sa ribcage.
Awi!
Big shoutout sa'yo, Charlie.
Charlie!
Pro boxer kasi yun ng Job Street. Box kami kanina. Hindi ko na-expect, in-anticipate ko yung job eh.
Yeah.
Pag angat ng Philly shell ko, ayun, shoot, pack. Parang kung i-read sa video, parang may pumutok eh. Ganun tunog.
Yeah.
Wala na. 30 seconds na round 1. Aray ko po.
It's alright.
It's normal. I love the pain. I love it. You know, sparring talaga, it gives me a lot of wisdom.
Yeah.
It gives me a lot of wisdom.
Of course. Kasi isipin mo, that's one thing. That's another lesson though, if you think about it. That's also incorporated in life.
Yes.
Sometimes when you get hurt like that, minsan natatraumatize ka, di ba? Ito naman masyado mong binabantayan kasi tamaan ka ulit.
Yep.
But that's the thing where you have to really reverse psychology rin yung gamitin mo.
Reverse ka talaga kanina.
Yeah, kasi damn, pag nakipag-sparring ka ulit next time, babantayan mo to. Ito naman ang open.
Oh.
Yeah. Sheesh.
There's a lot of times that I get hit.
Yeah.
Pero nasabi kong mas okay tamaan sa mukha kaysa sa katawan.
Yeah. Wala kang hangin eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pag tumatawa, sakit ako.
Sheesh.
Kaya kailangan kong inday yung ginusto ko to eh.
Yeah.
Pahinga lang. Nagdadasal na ako, sana di bali. Hindi naman siya bali kasi nakagalaw pa rin ako eh. Kung bali to, I can't move.
Yeah.
Nakahinga pa rin naman ako. Mahirap lang talagang humiga. Mahirap kaya sinubukan ko eh. Pero yelo lang katapat. Ng mga kapwa boxer yan. Damn,
Man.
boxing is not a game.
Oh, never.
But I love it.
I
was still spar, man.
Yeah, shout out to mga boxers, man.
Oh,
Damn.
man, hindi biro ang boxing.
No. It really takes a special person. You know what I mean? Well, let me reverse that. It doesn't take a special person. It takes a person with the heart.
Heart.
Yeah. Will, determination talaga.
Heart talaga.
To achieve. Or
Heart
to keep on going on that sport.
Sparring pa nun. Hindi, alam mo ba, sa sparring talaga, mas maraming nadidisgrasya.
Yeah.
Compared sa fight itself.
Yeah.
Ano talaga nangyayari ng mga injuries?
Yeah. Very true.
Sa fight kasi, it will take how long? Sa sparring, may chance ka pa na bumawi or gusto pa ng round, sige, go ahead.
Yeah.
So, doon talaga nangyayari yung mga injuries.
Yeah.
Before the fight.
Yeah.
I mean, pain will teach you a lot.
Big
It's
time.
either you quit, you go on. But of course, as a man who I am, I will go on.
Yeah. You will. I know.
I tried a while ago.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, coach, hindi na talaga kaya.
White flag.
Kahit nga suntok hindi
Wala na.
makasuntok. Sa pool talaga, bro.
Ouchie.
Sa pool. Luhod Yeah.
That pain. Anyhow, P. With your new mixtape, congratulations sa
Thank
uni.
you.
Boogie.
And it's because of you, my brother.
No,
Thanks to you.
that.
Thanks to Mr. Babs.
Number 25 on the hit. How do you feel right now, bro? Kasi it took a while again to be on ilang bang list ng top sa Pilipinas.
Magsimula
Mahaba,
siya
no?
sa 30 eh.
Dang.
Top 30 buong Pilipinas, iba't ibang genre yon.
But you're in competition with thousands of videos to climb up there, right?
Yes.
It's not, is it just music or is it
YouTube Music Philippines?
Damn.
YouTube Music Philippines.
Damn. And you see how many people are competing to be on that list. YouTube is a damn.
And blessed.
How did wait, when you found out, what number were you guys on?
30.
Wow.
30.
Wow.
Sabi ko, nung ano yun eh. Ihatid ko si Mami sa big shout out to Mami. Ihatid ko si Mami sa Eyelash, dyan sa may bae.
Kala ko nanay mo.
No, it's Mami. It's job. Yeah,
Hi, sister.
Fiance. Yeah. I was driving and nakita ko. Kasi check ko talaga eh kung fresh ko.
Of course.
Ilan na views. Kaya nakita ko, yun, number 30 trending. Hey!
Damn.
I was celebrating. I was so happy.
By yourself?
With her. But I was so happy. Yeah, bro. I'm celebrating along with her.
Yeah.
We were so happy.
Congrats, bro.
Pagkatid ko sa kanya, ako, mama niya, 30 na.
Yeah.
Tapos kinabukasan, nag-27. Ngayong araw, nag-25. Kagabi, 24.
Dang.
And
yung distance from 30, kunyari, di ba, number 30, trending. Ilan yung thousands na difference from 29? Kasi syempre may ano yun, di ba?
May statistics.
Ibig sabihin, kunyari, in order for you to get from 30 to 27, 30 more thousand views. Yung parang ganun. Grabe, no?
And thank you, Lord. Thank you, God. And salamat din na habagin noong Boogie.
Yeah. Boogie, man.
Kaya ako siya habagin noong Boogie kasi binigyan niya ako ng air freshener na may mukha niya. Tapos, kasama ko si Jules.
Meron siyang air freshener?
Oh.
Damn.
Kasama ko si Jules.
Yeah.
Yung shooter na. Si
Jules.
Anyhow, pagbigay niya sa akin, sabi niya, lagyan mo sa kotse mo. Ano to? Air freshener, car freshener yan. Sahit mo dyan. Tapos mag-pray ka parang rosary ba?
Damn. Boogie.
Kaya sabi ko, habagin noong Boogie.
Yeah, man. Ang ano talaga ng brains ni Boogie.
Makulit talaga yan.
Yeah.
Makulit na angka.
What's the follow-up on the, what's another video that's coming out for you guys?
It's Gusto Mo Ako, I Know.
Damn.
Ang
angas ng title eh, no? Girl, You Gotta Go.
Gusto Mo Ako, I Know. And we might be shooting Money Good, Laki ng Smile. Or yung Di Ako Maghihintay.
Ang angas ng title eh, no? Yung parang talagang, Smell. Oh.
Yeah. Bogey.
Yeah.
Fresco.
Confident.
Confident. Yeah. That's his image. That's Bugoy.
Yeah. But what you think about it, bro? I mean, this is off my topic. Hindi to kasama sa topics ko na sinulat. You really have to have that confidence, G, to make it in life. Eh.
Oh.
Yeah. If you have a single doubt, if you have a doubt for yourself, paano kapag itiwalaan ng iba?
May feel yan ng tao sa paligid mo eh.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo yun, i-handle mo rin yung pagka-presko mo.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, yung gusto mong OA presko.
Meron ganun eh.
Oo, OA presko. Yung sell-out presko na.
Oo.
Ganun. Pakita mo lang na
confident ka.
I'm this.
Yeah.
And it's all up to you if you're going to love me or not.
Yes.
You know,
very true.
I will not force it.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, we are going to work if you want to work with me.
Yeah.
Parang ganun na lang. And you don't have to to all the youngins, young guns, you don't have to chase people, okay?
No.
Just be who you are. Maging maayos na tao and maging grateful. Syempre, maging confident ka sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Yes, yan.
Very
Kasi
true.
you will attract people talaga.
The right people.
You will attract the right people if wala kang doubt na nararamdaman or ini-embrace. Doubt, you will feel it, yes, but you don't have to embrace it.
Yeah.
Always break the odds ba? Yung ganong klaseng mentality. Break the odds.
True.
Yeah.
2 joints.
2 joints, roster records, hey, yeah.
Yeah.
They kept on asking if 2 joints na raw ba? Oh, man.
Oh, really?
They kept on asking that. But, 2 joints, Rostar, it's a collaboration, brothers, fam.
Yeah.
It's, it's never going away.
Yeah.
It's never going away.
Yeah. Ano lang yan, guys. Just be open to ideas.
But that is what yun talaga yung gusto namin isipin nyo.
Very true.
Kaya nabuo ang 2 Joints in Harmony. It's because we know the fact na ganyan ang iisipin nyo.
Yeah.
Gets.
They're already like 5 steps ahead before you thought of it.
But yeah, there's no beef. Walang ganon. Hindi uso yun. Mga beef.
Pang 2000s yan eh.
Padoy lang yung mga beef na yan.
Yeah. Mag-chicken na lang kayo. Get that protein, baby.
Pwede ka mag-beef. Lutuin mo.
Yeah.
Huwag ka kumain ng raw.
Oh, man. Dropping lines. Oh, my God.
Kasi madugo.
Ay!
Aray!
Anyhow.
Yeah.
Bro, we're talking about songs anyways. Yung man, what's his name? Jonella?
Oh, Dianella, Marila.
Dianella. Grabe, no?
Yeah, man, he's good.
Yeah.
Man, he's a good person too.
Yeah.
He's a good person. I performed on Cosy Cove.
Nandun ka ba nun?
Oh, hindi, iba yun. Iba schedule niya,
Okay.
But he's there. He's watching us.
Collab, oh?
Yeah. Nga pala. Di ko nasabing sa list ko. But yeah, there will be a collaboration with me and him.
Woo!
And me and John Roa. That is the target that I have on my lists.
No, alam mo yung kasi when you hear something's popping off, bro, when you walk outside out of nowhere, alam mo yung mga nagtitrending eh. Alam mo yung mga piniplay sa mga...
rinig mo bigla eh.
Parang, tapos sila, yung kunyari, yung mga team members, mga pinapakinggan nila.
He's a good musician. He's a good person. I met him. Man, good one.
Yeah.
Galing na tao ba?
Yeah, I can imagine the collaboration too. JP.
Yeah, he's just finishing a lot of stuff, so let's make it happen.
Yeah.
Soon when you're busy and when you're free pala. And I want to congratulate John Roa, man. Naglabas siya ng bagong EP ngayon, bagong mixtape. It's a worship album.
Wow.
And yes, pakinggan po natin yan.
You know what I've noticed too, bro? Majority of the artists now, hindi kasi katulad dati. You know, when you speak about God, meron pa yung ibang nagdadalawang isip because the point of view was different before. But I think this generation now, a lot and more of songs about God, kahit rap, R&B, soul music, is coming out more.
Tsaka kung i-observe mo yung mga kabataan din yan.
Yeah.
pa-liberate na ng pa-liberate yung...
Hindi niya alam nasa camera siya pag dumadaan.
It's okay. Just say hi.
Hi ka. Alam mo kita ka din.
Diba? Pakita mo ako ng dance move mo.
Ang galing niya, pambato natin yun.
Lupit yan, pre. Ng buduts. Ice cream, yummy. Anyway, so if you're going, kung mapapansin mo ang mga kabataan ngayon, paggulo na ng paggulo ang mundo, pa-dark ang social media. Now they kept on finding the light.
Yeah.
They are keeping on finding God.
Yeah.
Keeping on finding keeping on finding Jesus, God. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
And nakakatuwa na ganun yung mostly nakabataan na nakikita ko. Go ahead. You can pass by.
Go. Lance.
Say hi.
Hi. Yeah.
So yun. I'm just so happy na even though social media is getting, it's getting darker. That's my opinion. That's how I see it. It's getting darker and darker, lalong-lalo na sa mga new breeds, sa mga youths. And thank God that the youths are actually moving on their own and find God and find Jesus.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah. There's
nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Automatic
I want to add on to that. There's really two algorithms too.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yun nga.
There's two algorithms ang
man.
ipapakita sa'yo ng social media. It's either the good algorithm or the bad one. Parang may good, bad and evil din sa ano. Once you stick to the good things on social media, yun ang papakita sa'yo ng social media.
But once you stick on the bad side,
yeah. You know.
And yun nga, thank God for moving in mysterious ways. Alam mo, moving those kids' brains to, this is bad.
Yeah.
I don't want to look into this.
Yeah.
This is too much dark. I don't want to be in this. Alam mo yun, yung ganong mentality.
Marami agad na namulat na. Yeah.
Alam nila agad yung
result.
Oo.
Yeah.
And wala nang excitement sa lust.
Yes.
Doon lang napapansin ko na wala na sila. They put too much attention on values.
Yes.
Values na. Kumbaga para lumalabas na yung pagka Pilipinong hindi ko masabing old school, but the Filipino values ng mga youngins ngayon. That's how I notice. That's how I see it.
Yeah.
Kasi sa mga kabataan din nakikita, wala akong, ang babait talaga.
Yeah.
No, most of the time, they're very, very nice, God-centered. May feel mo eh.
Yeah. You know the thing too is, kasi dati, I think during our era growing up, we really didn't know the culture outside of our culture. Dahil hindi natin siya nakikita. Wala tayong access eh. So we try to replicate some of the, do some things na akala natin maganda.
Cool.
Yeah. But nowadays, it truly shows na mas marami na rin tumatangkilik sa sarili nilang culture. Kasi nakikita na nila yung difference sa culture nila sa culture natin.
Yes.
Damn, ganun pala sila. Ba't ko ginagaya yun?
Oo. Mabilis na nilang manotice yung mali para sa kanila at yung tama para sa kanila.
Yeah.
Meron silang options on what to embrace.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Wow, what a topic, no? Lumalayo na tayo, Pia. Gets?
We are, just snap.
Hindi ko alam para nagsura yung conversation natin tapos nandito na tayo eh.
God moves in mysterious ways.
Amen, G.
And we are blessed to talk about that kind of topic kasi we are actually doing this podcast because of God din naman talaga.
Amen.
And
I have a lot to say when we start our topics.
Get it.
You want to start it?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see my list. I wrote 3 again.
Okay, sige lang.
Okay. Kamusta kayo dyan mga guys? Are you guys still okay? Bro, my first pasok para sa atin dalawa to. Leader.
Whoa.
What's your take?
My take as a word na leader, of course, you are the leader, you must lead. All your moves must be accurate, At hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw ng basta-basta because a lot of people are watching you, a lot of people are following you.
Mm-hmm.
And being a leader is a big responsibility kasi hindi ka pwedeng kasi when you move on a good way, your follower will be in a good way.
Yeah.
But when you move in the bad way, your followers will be on the bad way.
Mm-hmm.
So as a leader, you have to be very, very responsible, be an example,
Mm-hmm.
and you must have also a kind heart then. And also a mind that is very teachable. Because even though you're a leader, you
Yep.
can actually learn from your students. You can actually learn from your followers. If you are going to open your mind, your heart, and ano pa ba? As a leader, kailangan mo rin maging humble ba?
Yeah.
Humble down. Hindi ka lagi ang tama.
Yes.
Hindi ikaw lagi ang tama. You will have flaws. You will have lapses. And you just have to open your eyes and your ears on kung ano yung hinanaing ng mga tao sa paligid mo
Very true.
as your people.
Yes.
Yan.
Yeah. Because you know what, I thought of that word because of the point that we're on already. Kasi right now you're leading your, the artists.
Mm.
And then for me is the business. It's
Yes.
it's a broader crowd now comparing to before. The reason why I wrote that leader thing too, like exactly what you said. It's a different game, bro. It's a different ballpark already. Knowing that you're leading certain or something. You take all the heat.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Kasi you're directing it. You're the one with the steering wheel.
Ikaw yung captain eh.
Yeah. So being a leader, it's a lot of responsibility.
Mm.
And also, ito kasi minsan ng maling projection ng tao eh, na, oh, he's the leader. I think the leader is the one that takes most of the hit.
Yeah.
Gets?
Yes.
And you gotta have the stamina to endure it.
Yes.
Or else, pag ikaw yung nag-collapse, lahat sila collapse.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
So, with being a leader talaga, bro, one of the things too is you gotta just let God lead at the end of the day.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Lower yourself down
Yes.
to a point na kailangan ikaw yung marunong umunawa eh.
Oh.
You know, when they make mistakes, position ka na leader pero in humbling yourself, kailangan mas mababa ka sa kanila.
Yes. Yes. Totoo yan.
You know, but you still have to have the balls to take certain steps.
Yeah, yun lang. Yun din
Di ba?
yun yung critical.
Yeah.
Oh, yung critical talaga being a leader. You have to make a call.
Yeah.
Now, you have to listen to your people.
Yeah.
You have to set up a meeting.
Yeah.
Paanong call ba pwede natin gawin dito? Kasi this is my idea.
Yeah.
What should we do?
Yeah.
Can you help me out, guys?
Yeah. That's a good add-on too. Yung sinabi mo na you gotta be willing to listen to your group.
Yes. Yeah.
Bro, you know what I noticed too? Kasi dito ako nakita yung comparison eh. When I was speaking to an older negosyante, he's the owner of the building. He was telling me about his businesses. Then I started giving him tips para dun sa business niya na isa.
Oh.
And he was paying attention. Then I caught myself. I was like, I have to be like this also when it comes to the youngins telling me suggestions. Kasi mas fresh yung mind eh. Sometimes we get stuck on our own ways.
Oh.
Gets na, alam naman natin gagawin na kasi this is our way. But time is evolving, man. Gets?
Hindi nyo nakita kong value ng isang leader, which is si Sir Joey.
Yeah.
Sir Joey is the CEO of ELS.
Yeah.
ELS is a distributor of LG,
Yeah.
washer and dryer. It's a big
Wow,
company. He has
yeah.
a big company. So, sa kanya ko nakuha yung values na you really have to listen to the youngins.
You do.
Sabi niya sa akin, kaya kayo nandito sa tabi ko ngayon.
You do.
Kasi kailangan ko ng idea nyo.
You do.
And I will just approve it.
Yeah.
But you guys will do the thinking. Kaya ako kayo hinire sa trabahong ito.
Yes.
And doon na rin nakita yung sense na, oh, that's why. That's why a lot of not old, but veteran CEO.
They have younger
People talaga. That they have to really listen.
Yeah.
And they, as a veteran, they will actually test you.
Mm-hmm.
Paano confidence meron ka and why would I listen to you?
Yep.
Explain it to me.
Yep.
They will give you a chance to explain and they have to feel that you're confident enough.
Yes.
And you can really defend your own opinion.
Yes.
And then that is the time that they will embrace it and execute it sa kumpanyang hinahawakan niya.
Yes. Very true, bro. Dito mo bababaan yung sense of pride mo eh.
Oo.
You know, you just gotta be open to things.
You have to.
You can't fill one thing up when you're too full.
Yes. Pag umapaw ka eh.
Wala rin.
Oo, mahirap umapaw,
lunod. Yeah, bro. Yun yung parang too much yung confidence mo to the things.
Yes.
Or sometimes, bro, also it's a mixture of wisdom din talaga eh. When it comes to that. Pag inano mo yung sinadjust sa'yo, may point. Tapos i-implement mo yung wisdom mo. Mas nagiging perfect yung idea.
Oo, tama.
Gets?
Tama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gee!
Now let's talk about pain.
Oh. Man.
As a leader, you will actually feel pain.
A lot.
Physically, mentally.
Bro.
So what can you say about pain?
Pain, for me, is truly a number one aspect of growth. Because once you start to feel the pain, that's when you feel you're alive. You know, when you feel the pain of someone tells you one thing, ito yung difference ng nung bata ka or kahit ka na 20s plus. Pag may narinig kang ganun na painful thing na narinig mo na about sa'yo, sasagot ka pa eh. Pero once you start getting older, you swallowed it in. Tapos iisipin mo.
Akma ba to?
Yeah. Does it really bother? Is it really true for your end to believe that painful whatever? Tapos naman may iisip na, well, that's what they saw. But that's not who I am.
Wow.
You know. A lot of painful things like what I said is what's gonna help you grow. Then katulad ganina kung pakinggan mo yun, matatraumatize ka sa ganung bagay, then you're not fully grown yet. Pero pag na-accept mo, kunyari, may point naman yung sinabi nila, painful, pero by point, yeah, learn from it.
Embrace it.
Yes.
It will make you grow.
Yes. Katulad nga sinabi ni Drake. Isipin mo yung sinabi ni Drake na it feels good, that's why you lie still, or something like that. Yeah. Gets. Sarap pakinggan yung lie. Come on, wake up. You know what I'm saying? What, to help you sleep better at night? You know what I'm saying? Like, man, you would rather hear the painful truth and then go on from that after. But you would never grow without that pain, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it really depends sa tao how mature they are to accept it. Physical pain kasi there's a recovery to it. But you know, emotional pain and learning pain na yung katulad ng sinasabi ko, that's where really growth really hits. Diba? Kasi kunyari yan, masakit, diba? Oh, it's painful, you learn from it.
Yeah.
Pero hindi na yan, mawawala sa isip mo yan pag wala na yung pain eh. Pero yung mga pain na in-endure mo with life challenges, those are really helping you grow.
True.
Gets?
True.
How about you, Maji?
Kaya ako nasabi yan kasi syempre, I feel pain right now.
Yeah.
Ngayon, mentally, pumapasok din sa isip ko, man, sobrang dangerous na ng ginagawa ko. Should I stop?
I get you now. Okay.
Right?
Because there's the risk factor.
There's the risk eh. Kasi syempre, may mga iba akong dapat na gawin.
Yes.
But then I have this fighter spirit na I need this. This keeps me going.
Yes.
Gets mo?
But you gotta really ask yourself, do you really need it or do you just want it?
I need it.
Okay. See, that's a whole different fire.
I need it. I need to get punched.
Yeah.
I need to get injured. I need to get that. I need to get blood.
Yeah.
Because it keeps me going.
Yeah.
Ganun ko i-appreciate yung pain in terms of my life.
Okay.
I am really a fighter.
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah.
I have this
Eager.
fire in me.
Yeah.
But as long as I kept on fighting, sparring, feeling the pain, blood on my nose, it gives me a lot of reason to humble myself down in my reality.
Gets.
In my reality, how patient am I
Yeah.
sa career ko?
Yeah.
How am I enduring the pain
Yeah.
sa kung paano ako tignan ng mga tao? Sa mga opinion ng mga tao na talaga naman kung normal na tao ka,
Bro.
it will break you.
Yeah.
It will break you.
Yeah.
Right? But because of this pain that I am feeling physically, it actually strengthens my mental strength.
Yeah.
So that's how I look pain for me.
Yeah.
Pain for me is a pill. Pain for me is a therapy.
Yeah.
And this pain that I have right now, I don't know if it's a broken rib or whatever. I don't give a damn. I don't give a... But this helps me. Alam mo, dami ko na-realize nung I get knocked down.
Yeah.
Ang dami ko na-realize. Nonod girlfriend. Yung pa yung first na nirequest ko si mami na panoorin mo kasi handa ako eh.
Yeah.
Wala niya yun. Pag fake ng job, ang ganda ng pagkakatroon ng ano.
Bang.
Boom! Parang gano'n. Ganyan tunog. Ganyan tunog. Fuck! Oh, ganyan tunog. Parang oh! And the first ko siyang naramdaman, it feels I can't breathe. But, you know, it's part of the journey as a fighter, as a boxer. You want to box, then box.
Yeah.
But I do boxing for my mental health.
Yeah.
That's more. And this will never stop me.
Yeah.
This pain right here will never stop me. The blood will never stop me. I will keep on going because it kept me going.
Yeah.
Sa kung ano ang mga bagay na dapat kong gawin.
Yeah.
Yeah, pain keeps me going. That's
I
it. That's
get
all
you.
I want to say.
I get you. But kanina with the sense of when you said, you know, there's a big risk factor to the things you're doing.
It is.
Of course, kasi iisipin mo yung what ifs.
Yeah, dumating talaga yan. Kanina. Kakatakot din.
Yes.
Scary.
Yes.
It's scary.
Here's the thing that I'm gonna tell you.
Go ahead.
Ready? I've been reading this book. I actually finished the book already. It's called The Secret. When you start thinking about those things, ito, for example, you said the word pill kanina, diba? There's a thing in the book where it says, us humans, we're capable of recovering ourselves without taking anything. It's a matter of believing it. But when you start taking, kunyari, sinisipon ka, diba? Inom ka nung ano. Kasi naniniwala ka dun sa ano.
Pill.
Sa pill. Yeah. I forgot the word. Man, I'm lost for words. But mamaya may isip ko yun. So with the boxing that you're doing, it's the art of believing.
Yes.
Now this is what it's giving you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tapos,
so if you believe it like that, then you just gotta keep on going.
Yes.
And don't think about the bad things that will happen because you're manifesting it to
the
yourself.
Bad thing. Yes. Well, alam mo yun, every time that I will do sparring, the nerve is really there. It's scary.
Oh, bro, come on. Of course.
It's scary.
Yeah.
It's the longest 3 minutes of your life boxing a pro.
Yeah.
Alam mo, but after that, I can move like, I never say that I'm a pro, but I can move like that.
Yeah.
It's just that nasaktuan lang talaga.
Yeah.
And those are days na talaga merong sparring bad day.
Yeah.
But alam mo yun, you will always have a bad day.
There you go. I'm going to control you in that one too.
Right?
Don't ever think that you're going to have a partner.
Sorry. Okay. There will always be a lesson day.
Yeah. It's a matter of words usage din talaga.
Yeah.
If you really think about it, bro, it's, man, Read it. Believe me.
Okay. But
Bro.
yeah, it has a point.
Yeah.
Words are powerful. That is very true.
Yeah. And
It is powerful.
Pinaplant mo yan sa head mo. I've learned a lot on that too. Which leads me to my next word. Sinulat ko na, brother. Next word natin. Oh, pain. The struggles, bro. I mean, 2024, it was a blessed year. 2025 and the remaining will be a blessed year too.
Yeah.
But of course, with the pain, syempre yung mga struggles na na-feel mo. Give me one good example of a struggle that you went through 2024, and then how did you overcome it?
Oh man.
Kahit isa lang.
Parang ang hirap sabihin nandito. Pero in terms of my career kasi talaga.
Yeah.
I am a man full of eagerness.
Yes.
To the point na makakalimutan mo na yung household.
Yes.
So yun yung naging struggle ko.
Yeah.
Understanding my partner.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, understanding more. And it's a lot of things happened. A lot of lessons.
Yeah.
A lot of lessons have been thrown at me by God. And marami din namang lessons na throw si God kay mami.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, me and her still, kahit di namin pilitin, talagang we know that we are meant to be together.
Yes.
Meant to spend the life that we have. Because when we are together, life, ang gaan ng buhay eh.
Yes.
Sadyang kailangan mo lang talagang, yun yung natutunan ko at yun yung nalagpasan ko ngayon na
yes.
Kahit gaano kahirap ang intindihan,
yes.
kailangan mo ng balls to understand.
Yes.
And that is the painful. And that is the painful. And at the same time, siya ngayon yung sobrang napakasarap sa pakiramdam isipin na, wow, we are here right now.
Made it through.
New phase.
Yes.
We are engaged.
Yes,
so
congrats.
We have to be more understanding, and the life that we chose is not a joke. Siya rin yung sabi sa akin, relationship is a work. Relationship is work.
Yeah.
It's an unending work.
Yes.
You really have to work on it. And by God's grace, we are actually working on it smoothly.
Yes.
Smoothly. Alam mo yun, there will be misunderstanding, but we have to work. We don't have a choice. We have to work on it.
Yeah.
We make mistakes, but we have to correct it, and we have to talk professionally as human being.
Yeah.
And with respect to each other.
There you go.
And
Key. That's key.
Yeah. That's it.
Ito, the reason why I chose that word wasn't because of the word. I chose that word because of the thinking of that word.
Oof. Okay.
Damn, how did I say that?
Okay. Not because of the word, but I chose that word because of thinking of that word. Okay.
Yeah. So bro, have you ever felt na when one bad thing goes wrong, mas dumadami yung bad?
Okay, and again, sorry.
So if a bad thing happens, right? Let's say you start off your day with a bad energy or whatsoever. Then parang feeling mo nagkakasunod-sunod.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Kasi nangyari nun, you started it like that and then you kept on adding it.
Yeah, by feeling it.
But yes, so yun na-attract mo.
Because you embrace it.
So the reason why, see, that's one of the things too. It's the art of switching your mindset.
Yes.
To something. And being, I know it's for some, it's very difficult to be, kasi pag may narinig silang tao na very optimistic, sasabihin nila, bro, you gotta go back to reality. Gets?
Sakit sa tinga marinig ng ganun.
Gets? Pero ibig ko sabihin, bro, what would you focus on? Do you want, the word struggle exists, but it's up to you to accept. You get what I'm saying? So you just gotta make sure that when they say those kind of things, you try to learn. Oh, no, the babies are here. Hello, where are you going? Come here. On the plaza. I think it's raining.
Come here, give me a kiss.
I'll give Tito a kiss. Oh. Dadalan daw yung family ko. Oh, Chloe, go this way. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Hello.
It's silang park.
Yeah, punta sila dun sa ano.
Yeah.
Kasi JS prom.
JS prom dun?
Okay, ni kapatid na pamangkin ko.
Alright.
But yeah, bro, with the struggles, once you think struggles are gonna come to you.
Yep. Yeah.
It's gonna keep on coming, bro.
Yeah.
You feel me? So when you feel that, try to switch it. Try to make sure you have that switch button. Or you feel the struggle, don't get stuck on the struggle. Just be like, there's a way out of this.
Sa edad ko ngayon, nandun na ako sa ganung...
Yeah.
I've been like that ever since.
Yeah.
I've been a lot of dark sides, dark struggles.
Yeah.
But I never settled.
Yeah.
I never stay that way.
Yeah.
Diyan na nga yung struggle, diyan ka lang.
Yeah. No, even though you're in a struggle, it's the mindset to get get outside of the struggle.
Yeah. How can you get out on that type of struggle if you're not going to think positively?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And ano ba? Sige, let's proceed on my second word.
Go.
The second word is light.
Oh.
Ilaw.
Yeah.
So no matter how dark it is, you just have to find the light.
Yes.
No matter how shitty it is, you just have to find the light. You just have to find the answer.
Yes.
That's it. That's how life is. That's how life works.
Yes.
If you're not going to find the light and you're just going to close your eyes, then what is the answer?
Yes.
How are you going to move?
Yeah.
If you're not going to figure it out.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true.
If you're not, for example, I'm feeling, nawalan ako ng 1 milyon, na-scam ako.
Ouch. Diba?
Scam ako 1M. Iisipin mo ba nakawawa naman ako? Oo, maramdaman mo yung pain. There will be pain.
Yeah.
Maawa ka rin sa sarili mo kasi 1 million is not a joke.
No.
You've worked your ass off. But, are you going to be affected of that figure? Hindi mo ba kayang gawin yun ulit?
Yep, nagawa mo na nga eh.
Diba? Oo, na-scam ka. Pero yung na-scam ang lugi doon kasi siya yung nanlamang.
Yeah. It will come back.
Nanlamang.
Yeah.
So, are you going to look on the things that you have to do to get that 1 million back ng doble o triple?
Yes.
And the light is God.
Yes.
You know, if you hold on to God.
Yes.
And if you ask for the answer, then the answer will come.
Yes.
Huwag kang masyadong magpa-apekto sa kung anong ginawa sa'yo ng ibang tao. Kasi at the end of the day, kung ano yung ginawa ng taong yun, ay siya rin babalik sa kanya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? But you're not wishing him bad. You're not wishing him bad. Just let him be.
Yeah, it's just the world. That's how it works.
You just have to let it be. You just have to let him be. Leave it alone.
Yep.
Alam mo yun? You still have a lot of possibilities.
Yep.
Isipin mo na lang na, bakit na kaya nagawa yun sa akin? Kasi nga bro, wala siyang mga posibilidad na meron ka.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gets? Wala siyang mga posibilidad na meron ka. Yun lang yung naiisip niya eh.
Yeah.
Madilim pa.
Yeah.
Ikaw, meron kang light.
Yeah.
You have the light.
Yeah.
You have the answers. And you just have to go on.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. What can you say about light?
Light. Kung isipin mo yan, bro, it's a very
tricky word.
Yes. At the same time, ano lang siya eh. Yung parang super simple. Bro, just look for the light. You know what I'm saying? You know how it's gonna make it light for you to find the light?
Yeah, di ba?
Yes.
True.
It's the prayers, G.
Yes.
Like what you said, bro. It's the art of believing na more good things are coming to you when you believe it.
Yes, sir.
You get what I'm saying?
Amen.
That's all I can say. Pagdating sa light, bro. I mean, once you find it, also, make sure you thank him also.
Of course.
Cause it's true. It's true kasi there's certain times na we pray so hard for specific things and once we receive it,
you
forget that you prayed 1,000 times for it.
Don't let the light make you blind then.
Yes. Yes. The light is blinding though. 'Di ba? Para sa tao. Pag wala pa silang pag hindi pa nila discover yung sarili nila.
No, and if this is the first time that they made through the light.
Yes.
Well, it's a ano rin siya, human reaction din talaga siya to be overwhelmed.
Yeah.
And all of us have been there.
Yeah.
I have been there.
Yep.
I have been there. And the overwhelming stage is normal for people. Not bad goals, lessons.
Yes.
Lessons are normal for people, and
Mm-hmm.
pag nabigyan ako ulit ng panibagong pagkakataon, then that's the time to be more wise.
Yeah.
Because of the mistake that you've done, there will be wisdom.
Yes. Every time. Kailangan lang malawak yung isip mo eh.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? And my last word. Alam mo, kanina pa ako iingihi.
Ako din pero umiye. Ito yung challenge, ha?
Yeah, that's a challenge.
Aray ko po.
Since you, ang galing talaga, no? Nagtutugma talaga yung mga words natin. My word is believe.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
You first.
Okay. Belief. I've sa career na meron ako, the only person that believe in me is me.
Yep.
That is
And God.
And God. God
Yeah.
and me.
Yeah.
But I questioned him, to be honest.
Yeah.
I questioned him. Is this really for me? But if this is really for me,
Yeah.
then give it to me.
Yeah.
It has been like that ever since.
Mm-hmm.
And the belief that I have is, since 2017 is that I'm going to be a well-known R&B artist.
Yeah.
And maraming tumawa. My parents laughed at me too.
Yeah.
Walang pera dyan, pera sa music, mga ganito, ganyan. But the only meron ding may tao din syempre na talagang naniwala sa akin, which is my best friend.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah.
Man. And for me, belief is very, very important as a human being, because if you don't have beliefs in you, then what is your purpose?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What is your purpose? What do you believe into? Paano ka nabubuhay? Anong
Yeah.
rason ng paghinga mo sa araw-araw?
Yeah.
So for me, that's belief. Belief is your purpose. Belief is why you breathe every day. Belief is what you work on every day.
Yeah.
Right? And yeah, that's belief for me.
For me, bro, yung belief kasi, you know those things that you see, things that you want to happen in your lives. God showed it to you for a reason. It's up to you to believe it that it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
He didn't choose your brother to show this to your brother, because it's your destiny to believe that it's gonna happen for you. One of the things I kept saying this over and over again to everyone, and I think this is the first time I'm gonna say it on our podcast to begin this year. Napabaon ko. I don't know if I told you this, but I'm gonna tell them. Did I tell you about this? When you pray for something,
Okay.
pray for it once.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Have I told you this?
I think I can remember.
Okay. So one of the things, like when I say believe, it's a challenging word. You only believe things that you can see, you can touch, you can smell. But once you start believing it in your head that it's gonna happen, learn how to smell it while it's not there. Learn how to feel it while it's not there.
Yeah.
Learn how to feel that it's there. Believe that it's there for you.
Manifestation.
Yes. But the manifestation word kasi is very difficult for others to understand it. Some people doesn't even know what it truly means yet. They just hear, oh, manifest it, bro.
How?
Gets? If you're not woke, you won't know. So this is how I want to make it a shorter version. Manifestation is talking to God.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because you're nothing with no religion, bro. You're nothing with no beliefs.
Yes.
So make sure when you believe something, you're not doubting the creator.
Of course.
That's your manifestation, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So ganito siya. When you pray for something, like what I always say, now, is pray for it once. Nakita mo kanina nung sinabi ko, you pray for it for 1,000 times. That was wrong, di ba? You pray for it once. It's almost the perfect example na pumunta ka sa restaurant. Nag-order ka ng sinigang.
Oh.
Sinabi ko pala yung sinigang word, alam mo na yung lasa, di ba?
Mm.
So, like what I said earlier, believing the taste, the look, without even receiving it yet, it's the same thing with the prayers.
Yeah.
So, yung pag in-order mo yung sinigang, alam mo darating.
Lasa mo na yun.
Tsaka, alam mo in-order mo na dun sa tao. So, use that, the same thing like prayers. When you tell God what you want, wholeheartedly mo hiniling yan, na God, this is what I want. Ikaw nang bahala. The challenge of it is the believing part. Don't repeat it again kasi God is not deaf. Hindi naman siya bingi. You told him once, he knows. What he's waiting for you to do is believe it that it's coming.
Yeah. And work on it.
Yes. And work on it. Of course, you can't just believe it and sit around.
Oh.
But once you're doing something, just believe it's going to happen. Think of the car that you want.
What?
Think of a car that you want.
Okay, yeah, I did.
Close your eyes. Feel the steering wheel.
I'm feeling it.
Gets? It's like that. Some people nakukuha nila yung gusto nila sa buhay earlier because of how much they believe then it's gonna happen. The earth has that frequency to make it happen for you.
And ito.
No, it does.
It is.
It does. It has that. Some things took a long time for it to happen para sa'yo because you doubted it. You know the saying na when they say, pag hindi para sa akin, hindi para sa akin. Don't use that anymore.
Oo nga, wag.
Kasi, before pa man nangyari, binigyan mo na siya ng negative energy eh. Oh man, if this is gonna happen, pero if it doesn't happen, it's not for me. Then you just kinontradict mo lang yung sarili mo from it to happen.
Mismo.
Like what you always tell me. Do it as long as wala kang tinatapakan na tao.
You have to.
Gets? So, the thing that you're manifesting for, wala ka naman tatapakan eh. So, believe that it's gonna happen for you. The reason why it didn't happen, because you put a doubt on the Creator.
Mm-hmm.
You know when they say, believe, ang lawak na to eh. You know when they say, you wanna have extra on your account, but in the current situation, you don't. You gotta act like you do for more things to come to you. Because when you say, "Oh, I wanna have this on my account," but in the real world, you're acting like you don't. So ano sinabi ng world? Your wish is my command. That's gets.
Parang dyan papasok yung ano. Pero parang negative kasi natin. Parang fake it till you make it.
No. It's not fake it till you make it.
But yeah, it's a negative word. But
no, it's bro, kita mo ha. Kids has more, alam mo yung pag nung bata tayo, mas mataas yung creative mind natin. Kasi wala pang doubt na napopoison sa ulo natin eh. So when we want to draw something, to us it looks perfect. To others it looks ugly. So yun yung pumapasok na gets yun yung inaano ng mga pag may narinig ka ng sa'yo parang, look mom, I drew this, I love it. Your mom would like, good job anak. Pero in the outside world, ano ba yan? Ang pangit naman ng draw. So doon nasisira yung creative mind
75.
Gets? You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
So you just...
Nandun ako sa ganong sitwasyon dati na favorite ko rin talaga mag-drawing.
Yeah.
And my mom and dad will really appreciate what I draw.
Yeah.
Then, pagdating sa school,
75
ako.
Yeah, it's fine.
But, doon ko rin na-realize, bakit naman ang baba ng grades ko dito? Eh, ang ganda-ganda nito para sa mga mata ko. Doon ko rin na-realize na talagang meron sariling perception ng mga tao.
Tao. Yes. When people think we're going too fast, no, I'm just at my own pace. Yun lang yung nakita mo.
Oo, akala mo lang.
Yeah.
Akala mo lang mabilis.
Yes.
Pero, I've been working on it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really an art of how you believe on things, how you want things to happen for you.
And how you look into it.
Yeah. Because I mean, me now, comparing to our last few podcasts before, I'm a totally different person now. Different. It's more of let go and let God.
Ngayon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To think about it, man, I could be perfectly honest to this camera. I had more before. You know what I'm saying? I had more before. But now, I just let go and let God. As long as I'm able to do the right things every time,
then
yeah, it's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying?
On God, yes.
Yeah. You know, I was the feeling of more. You were more stressed before having more. Gets. Don't get me wrong. Of course, I want big things to happen for us, for my family, but it's not the same strategic move that I had before.
Yun nga,
You know what I'm
bawas
saying?
na ngayon, no?
Yeah.
Yung risk level, hindi na ganun
Yeah.
mataas.
Yeah.
Hindi ka na ganun ka-reckless ba?
Yeah. And also, like what I said, it's the matter of believing that it's gonna come.
Yeah, bro. Yes, God.
Yeah. When you feel it, it's gonna come. It's gonna come.
It is going to come.
Understand that God, more than anyone, has the power. In a snap, tomorrow it can come. You know? Don't ever doubt, a single doubt, or even a drop doubt that it's gonna happen, G. It's inevitable. It's gonna happen. You know?
Amen. As long as you believe in it.
Yeah, not it. As long as you believe in Him.
In Him. On God, yeah.
Bro, believe me, that power is different. It's different. And bro, I thank God. You know the thing, like what I said, read The Secret, bro. It's not actually a secret. It's just an eye opener. Bro, watch. Believe me, when you read it.
Nasaan na? Tapos mo na?
My wife is reading it now.
No, after.
Yeah.
Ang dami ko pang libro hindi na mabasa sa bahay. Yun muna siguro.
Bro, it made me a different person. It made me evolve, not a different person. It made me evolve to a certain point.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. With everything that has happened with Babs, like what I said, I lost the way when things wasn't going my way.
My way.
So now it's just like I let go and let God. You know.
Put work.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Because I mean, when you try to force something into things your way, God is not gonna let that happen. You know what I'm saying? Listen to me first. You know, parang ganun. I know you want this to happen. Ask for my permission. Gets you, parang. Yes, he's the boss, bro. You know.
That's the right thing to do.
Yeah. Ask for my permission first. Then believe after you ask for my permission that's gonna happen. Then I'll make it happen for you, son. You know? Don't ask for this person's permission. I'm stronger than him. Gets? Don't believe in his power just because he has millions in his account. Make sure you ask me. You ask me first. I'll show you the real thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
And out of that,
yeah,
I can pwede kong ibigay itong word na to eh. I can see values. So let's talk about values.
Oh.
Damn. let me sa totoo lang, the values that I have right now, masasabi ko na I am still looking for the right values as a man, but I figure it out.
You will.
I actually saw it. Nakita ko na eh. I want to be a family man. I want to be a good dad. I want to be an R&B star, and at the same time a still good dad and a good husband.
Let me get you back. Say this again. I will be a good dad.
Yeah,
I will be a good. I'm a good dad. I'm a good husband.
And I'm an R&B star.
And I'm an R. That makes a big difference.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You will not be. You are already. You believe it in yourself that you're the best and you're the best.
Yes, of course.
You know what I'm saying?
But yun yung gusto ko na makamtan ngayon. But I know that I am, and I choose to be that guy.
Yeah.
And I'm ready for the challenges that is about to happen. Because if you're going to think about it, being a star, and being a dad,
yeah,
and being a businessman,
yeah,
is a whole different story when you are there already. But that is the value that I want to embrace. And it seems it's not impossible, of course.
No.
Because I will do it.
Yeah, you will.
I will get it.
Yeah.
And I really want to be a father. And a good husband. A husband that values his family, his wife. Alam mo yun? But in my world, it's dark. Alam mo yun? I'll be honest, right?
Yeah, it's true.
No cap.
Yeah.
No cap. Fame, money, connections, it's dark there. It's suffocating. It will give you anxiety. But at the end of the day, God will show you.
He'll clear that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, he will actually show you that this is the right way.
Yeah.
This is the value that you should have.
Yeah.
Kasi mararamdaman mo kagad yung yung peacefulness.
Yes.
It's not being complacent, no.
No.
But that is the perfect life for me.
Yeah.
To have a value of a good father, a good provider, a millionaire, of course, and an artist, a manager, and a businessman. And that is the value that I will embrace. No matter what happens this year or next year, that will be me. That is me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi sa totoo lang, no, sa mundong ganun klase.
Yeah.
With the elites, with the people, with a lot of,
Yeah.
If you're going to look at them, I can see no peace.
No.
I don't know if they can see peace out there, but in my end, ganun ko siya nakikita.
Yeah.
There's no pure love. There's no pure joy. Yeah, they have it, but how they
empty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And alam mo yun, it will actually contradict it, no?
Yo.
It's and you will realize it that at the end of the day, sariling bangka mo pa rin yung sinasail mo eh.
Yeah.
The air is God.
Yeah.
He will direct you to the right path.
Yeah.
So yun lang.
Yeah. I get you.
Values ba na
I get you.
You can feel me, right?
Yeah.
You can feel the
I feel
the gaano ka blur.
Yeah.
It's blurry there.
Yeah.
But I'm going to stay me.
Oh. There's no other way.
I'm going to stay me, and I will make it.
Mm-hmm. You will. You're already making it. You're 25 right now. Out of 25, how many years? 10, 8 years?
I will still make it. I will make it.
Yeah, bro.
On God and everything that we do. But yeah, to all the youngins out there, believe in it.
Yeah. Put God first.
And believe in it. Put work, put God, believe in it.
Yeah.
No matter what happens, believe in it.
Yeah.
You know? A lot of lapses, a lot of pain and bruises, wounds. You will get it actually, but you're a king.
Yeah.
You are a king.
True.
And you're a queen.
True. True.
So go get it.
Yeah.
Go get it. Never be dictated by anyone.
Yep.
But be dictated by God.
Yep. Yun yung light na sinasabi mo kanina.
Yeah.
There's, you know, now let's rephrase back to the light. You don't have to look for it when you have Him. You don't have to look for the light.
Exactly. Diba? Exactly. Siguro kaya ako rin siya nasabi. Kasi I cannot say that I've been there, but I felt it. I felt it there.
Yeah.
Felt it there.
Yeah.
And thank God for showing me
Amen.
the light.
Yeah. Every day there's light.
The real pure light.
Yeah. Yeah.
How about you, brother? Values.
Your value, the value is the value of you.
Yeah.
How do I say this in a better term? That was too deep. When you learn how to value the things that got you to the point where you are, the things that are coming is just a freebie.
Yes. Okay. True.
Gets? Kung na-value mo na kung saan ka na nanggaling, kung nasan ka na ngayon, the things that are coming now is the freebies already. You learn how to value when you don't take things for granted. Not taking things for granted, specifically just like what you said earlier, is time.
Yeah.
So now let's connect those. When you value your time, everything is valuable to you.
That's very true.
Gets? You know what I'm saying? All the time that you put in, all the time that's coming for you, when you learn how to value those things. You know what I'm saying? Like what I said, when you value the things that where you came from, pag bumalik ka ulit dun sa lugar na yun, na let's say you were up here, pinabalik ka agad dito, na value mo na siya, you don't feel like you really went down low. Just like, okay, this is just a part of the circulation again. Because you knew how to value where you came from. You know how it feels to have $1 million. You know how it feels to have 10 pesos.
Yes. Yes.
You get what I'm saying? So if you learn how to value the 10.
Yeah.
Gets.
Of course, you know the value of $1 million.
Yeah. And when you go back to the 10 again, you won't be surprised. Because you value the 10 already.
Yes, and you will get the $1 million once again.
Yes. Value. But being values of like what you said, being
yes
of a good man, a dad, it's all in you.
Yeah, I can see it in you. And, I can. Damn, bro.
I'm a good father, bro. Because I value the things how my parents
taught me.
Yes. Now it's just being passed on and evolving how to be even. Diba?
Nasabi rin yan sa akin ng isang colleague or friend na I'm a different man. Iba daw ako sa mga artists na nakilala nila.
Yeah.
And sabi ko lang, I thank my mom.
Yeah.
I thank my mom and dad.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, the values that they have put into me.
Yeah.
And that is the main reason why we met.
Yeah.
That's the main reason why you want to know me.
Yeah.
It's because of the value that they built inside me.
Very true. Very true.
And big shout out to my boys there. See you all soon. Miss you guys.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, that was another good podcast.
It is.
Season 3, episode number 44
equals 8.
Yes, sir.
And makakaasa po kayo sa mga next episodes namin. And we are going to tackle a lot of topics that is really, really happening in this world. So stay tuned. I think Harvey should find a topic for us.
I know. Oh, they're gonna begin. They're gonna begin OJT. Dito.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna keep improving. Not just with the podcast, but also with our app.
Yeah.
Mark that.
It's going to happen.
God's timing.
We're gonna make it happen.
Oh yeah. Babs wasn't built just to be Babs. Babs was built to be Babs,
worldwide.
Bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Any shout out? Any plugs?
Big shout out to all the people who love JB Bacalyan, and to all the people who have really been supporting me since day one, and to all the people that I'm about to meet. See you all soon.
Yeah.
If you want to check my music, just go ahead and check me on Spotify. It's JB Bacalyan, and on Instagram, Facebook page, on Threads, it's just JB Bacalyan. And please download Babs That app.
Yes, sir. If you guys haven't heard the latest trending song nila ni Boogie, you gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta go and check. Kung hindi nyo ba napapakinggan, Two Joints in Harmony Part 1, check it out right now.
Of course, yung favorite track ko, bro.
Fighting For You.
Guys, listen to that. You know what I mean? And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Babs app. If you guys haven't downloaded it, Babs app for the clients, Babs partner para sa mga barbers and barbershop owners. And also, I want to thank mga sumusuporta sa Impeccable Shoes. Thank you guys so much. We are on our 14th branch. We have more to come. And of course, sumusuporta sa ngayong election, Style Printing, Luxban Car Wash, and of course, our sponsors, Beladi. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out on their Facebook page, Beladi Villas. And we'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Peace out. This is Jay Bacalyan. This is Mr. Babs signing out. Yo,
bang, bang.